Sunday, July 6th, Hobby Lobby, California, Maryland. Cars and Coffee. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We got a good turnout today. Yeah, nice Challenger. Have to do these rows double the time. There's Robert's truck. Hey, look, there's our G8. G8 GT. There you go. For sale. Don't see a number on it. Nice Toyota. Camaro, Corvette. Tim's new to him sedan delivery, 57. Small block, stick shift. Chevelle. Mopar Street Rod. A VW over there. There you go, tour on a bicycle. Nice original 56 Chevy. Got the straight 6 in it. Another nice 55. Oh, the sun just came out. It's warm out. Oh, look at that Nova. We'll go take a closer look at that in a minute. Another nice Nova. There's the Ford. Seen that before. This thing is neat. A bit warm out. Not too bad though. Just coming and going. Look at the camper run. Guys in the Buick Grand National have the right idea. Hiding in the shade over there. The Datsun Z car. Whoa, look at this Charger. A really nice car. It's cloudy but warm, not too humid. All kinds of nice cars. So, looks like a stock Model A. That's neat. Corvettes. Oh, here comes a Toyota again. I think this is a Corvette. I don't even really know what this is. Let me see. Aha. McLaren. Don't see that every day. A 56 Chevy's nice. It's got his trailer with his race tires on there. That's pretty neat. It's nice Fairlane. Seen that one before. I like it. Got a neat vibe to it. 55 Nomad. Looks like a high-end build there. Couple nice cars there. It's Camaro. Let's see. That's a pretty good turnout. Not a huge turnout, but
really, no, it's not real. So many weirdos.
Hey, what's going on? Stuff around here. Let's look at the there's a Toyota Supra. That's neat. Turbo. Don't know what year that is. Torino over here. Let's take a look at it. Said that was a original owner car. Pretty neat. 70 or 71. That's really neat. What else do we have? Seen this before. Truck, vintage camper. Hey, how's it going? A Dodge Power Ram. Got the Rusto Mod crew here. There's the Torino. Nice. Nice, nice. Hans's Cobra. That sun poking out again. Daytona. Some Mustangs. Nice stuff. There we go. I like that. I would drive that. Let's put him into park so we'll get some more video with him in a minute. X bodies here. Pontiac Ventura. Chevy Nova. Based off the same platform. Pretty neat. Looks like they're ready for some drag strip runs. They got cage in this one. Got cage and a fuel cell. Pretty neat. Or the later model Mustangs. Nice 5.0 convertible. I'd drive that. Wagon there. Not sure what that is. This custom build. Leo can tell us more about that. And a VW with eyelashes. Monte Carlo. It's one of the front drive ones from the later years. Nice 68 Firebird. That's nice. Seen these two before. Jeep there. Got some turbo action going on there in the Honda. A couple of Broncos. Overcast, but that's good. It's keeping that hot sun from cooking us. A nice Corvette over there. It's smooth looking. There's some more. There's a mid-engine Corvette. Mid-engine.
Go ahead, John.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, man? You're doing it, brother. You're doing it.
Nice 5.0 there. Audi. A couple other things here. BMW and and Infiniti. Not that good on these foreign cars on the ID, but we're trying. Nice Mustang. We'll come back and get this road later. Let's get these. We're getting a little bit out of sorts here. That's clean. I like the color a lot. BMW. Mustang. Nissan Z car. Tesla. Alex's Energizer Bunny Toyota van. Factory 5, 33 Ford. Clean looking Infiniti.
It's gonna be fine. And then we're like, he was like, it's probably gonna break.
Actually, some of those Mustangs.
No, it was Chinese. Ah, oh, you're probably gonna need
It's a Celica. Seen this at Boosted Burgers before.
Oh, those are spares. Oh, okay.
This one's all stock. When's the last time you saw one that was stock? Here we go. That's neat. I like that red 5.0 a lot. Got the Roush wheels on it. Maybe it's a whole Roush edition, I'm not sure. Boss Mustang. Got the motorcycle section over here. Clouds are keeping the hot sun at bay, which is good. Here goes the 5.0. Early 90s Corvette. Lots of folks probably already left. They're coming and going. Nice Beamer. A Honda. Yada, I think. A clean Audi there. A Jeep. Let's get these Mustangs over here while we can. It's a Jeep with a duck on the dashboard, of course. There's a Harbor Freight in the background. 5.0 Fox body. Nice 67. Nice 71 to 73. Wow, that 67 is nice. Pretty nice. 302 in it. All right. How you doing? It's a view of the Boss 302 there. Pretty nice. That's neat. A Corvette going by. Sol. That Challenger. Shaker scoop on it. Camaro. Last groups over here. sneaking in. Pretty nice. There's the Cuda right next to the Charger. Very nice. Here's one we missed before. A small block stuffed under the hood there. Challenger, that's pretty nice.
What's going on? Nice day.
How you doing? Yeah, it's great. Look at
You
that.
on YouTube?
Yes.
What I heard.
The Plymouth Belvedere here. Seen this truck before with the brown metallic, with the LS swap, and turbo Ford. I think that's an LS motor in there. Pretty neat. Here's one we missed. Cadillac. Seen this before. Like it. It's an earlier CAD. That's pretty neat. Mustang. Very nice. There's the McLaren leaving. Not cheap. Nice car. I think that'll do it for Cars and Coffee this week. Thanks for watching Out of Order Garage. My name's John. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Helps us out a lot. All right, folks. Take care. Hope to see everybody on the next one.